Before lighting the pilot, make sure the equipment has been properly installed per Pitco's installation manual. Turn the yellow handled gas valve to the on position, turn the knob on the gas valve to the pilot position, and depress the knob. While the knob is being depressed, light the pilot with a match or barbecue style lighter. After 15 to 30 seconds and you release the knob and the pilot stays lit, turn your pilot knob to the on position. To turn the pilot off, turn your gas valve knob to the pilot position, slightly push in and turn it to the off position. Turn the yellow gas valve handle off.